In today's session, we learn about shell molding process. So it is a casting process in which the mold is thin shell made up of sand and which is held together by thermosetting resin binder. Here the process consists of following steps. The first step is to create pattern, and here pattern is composed of two pieces which are created in shape of desired part. The next step is to create mold. During creating the mold, each pattern half is heated to 175 to 370 degrees Celsius and coated with lubricant to facilitate removal. Heated pattern is clamped to dump box which contain mixture of sand and resin blender. The dump box is inverted, allowing this sand resin mixture to coat the pattern. The heated pattern partially cures the mixture which now forms a shell around the pattern. Each pattern half and surrounding shell is cured to completion in oven, and then shell is ejected from the pattern. The next step is to assemble the shell mold. Here two shells are joined together and securely clamped to form the complete shell mold. The shell mold is then placed in flask and supported by baking material. The next step is to pour the molten metal. During this step, the mold is securely clamped together and molten metal fills the mold cavity. After mold has been filled, the molten metal is allowed to cool and solidify into the shape of final casting. After molten metal has cooled, the mold can be broken and casting removed. Here trimming and cleaning processes are required to remove any excess material. In shell molding process, the thickness of shell can be determined accurately by controlling the time that the pattern is in contact with mold.